My God. Wow.
I have a little surprise inside.
Okay. Hi.
Good to see you.
This is from who now?
Redbeard, he did it all by hand.
Wow.
This is done on job site tools.
Really? Like electric drill saws?
Right, exactly. The little portable table saws. And you're used to Peter and the magnificence you guys put together. And Peter did these, by the way. He did a magnificent job.
Oh, he
did
lasered
yeah.
that? You know what it is also I could use it as a bulletproof case too.
Seaburn
Uh-huh.
wanted his just credit as well.
Okay, I got it. You know what? You got to represent, man. That's hilarious. Dude, that is epic. Epic. And what is this wood? What is this?
The body of it is Black Limba. This is Black Limba, and so is this. And what I did is I just got a ton, and then you separate out the boards that had no discoloration, because I thought that'd be a distraction one.
Got it.
You separate out the really stunning pieces
Right.
for the display and the
Black Mamba?
Limba.
Limba.
Limba. And then inside, the orange is Padauk, the brown is called Wenge, and this is called Purpleheart. You can imagine why.
Wow. That's just amazing. I love the handles. I love the hardware.
It's been a real learning experience. I can tell you, we got near to have
Limbo.
Black Limba.
Limba.
L-I-M-B.
Like limbo. How low can you go? Limba. His sister.
It is stunning.
And Peter did that too?
He did all the inlays.
Laser.
Yeah.
Wow, man. Wow. Yeah, no, it's like incredible. Piano hinge. Unbelievable. Oh, I love it. I'm sitting here like thinking like where I got spots like what I need now, dude, is I need a private airplane that I could go put it on, so I can have it. Thank you. Really. Thanks, mate. Nice caper. Nice caper. Hoo-hoo.